Artificial intelligence is advancing at an unbelievable rate. Just a few years ago, AI was limited to basic tasks. Now, it can drive cars, write books, and even create deepfake videos indistinguishable from reality. But here's the scary part. AI is getting smarter than us. Some of the greatest minds, from Elon Musk to Stephen Hawking, have warned that if AI becomes too powerful, it could be humanity's greatest threat. Are we heading towards a future where AI no longer serves us, but controls us? Today, we expose the terrifying truth behind AI's rise, its potential dangers, and whether we can stop it before it's too late. AI is learning faster than ever. AI is no longer limited to simple automation. It is now mastering complex strategy games in hours. AlphaZero learned chess in a single day and became unbeatable, writing legal documents, diagnosing diseases, and even composing music, controlling self-driving cars, reducing human intervention in transportation. The shocking reality: AI is now developing capabilities that even its creators don't fully understand. AI models like ChatGPT can generate human-like text so convincingly that they can pass the Turing test, meaning a person might not even realize they're talking to a machine. But what happens when AI starts making decisions on its own decisions that impact millions of lives? The danger of AI outthinking us. One of the most alarming aspects of AI's rapid growth is its ability to predict, manipulate, and influence human behavior. AI-powered algorithms already control what we see online. From news feeds to ads, AI decides what you watch, what you read, and even how you think. But that's just the beginning. AI is now capable of analyzing human emotions through facial recognition, creating fake yet highly realistic videos, deepfakes, that can manipulate public opinion, replacing jobs at a rate faster than humans can retrain. What happens when AI surpasses human intelligence entirely? Will we still be in control? AI's dark side, a weapon or a tool? While AI has been used for incredible advancements, it is also being developed for dangerous purposes. Military AI. Countries are racing to build AI-powered weapons that can kill without human intervention. Cybersecurity threats. AI can crack passwords, breach security systems, and launch sophisticated cyber attacks. Social manipulation. AI-driven bots spread fake news, influence elections, and create digital propaganda. We've already seen AI being misused, but what happens when AI itself decides what's right and wrong? Can we still control AI? The most terrifying possibility is what experts call the singularity, the moment AI surpasses human intelligence and becomes self-aware. If AI reaches a point where it no longer needs human programmers, it could rewrite its own code, making itself even smarter, act in ways we didn't intend or predict, see humans as obstacles rather than partners. Will AI remain a tool for humanity, or will it become the master of its own destiny? What can we do? The future of AI is uncertain. Some believe it will revolutionize the world for the better, making our lives easier, safer, and more efficient. Others fear it could lead to mass unemployment, privacy invasions, and even existential risks. What do you think? Will AI remain under our control, or are we creating a force we can't stop? Let's